Hi guys, so unbox with me my DJI Mini 4K. So I've seen DJI Minis before. This is a Fly More combo, bundle Fly More. So I've seen DJI Mini Fly More combos, but they are mostly on 2.7K. So this one is 4K. This one is 4K. Happy to have it. So we unbox together and see what it contains, and we'll do a review with you guys. Yeah. So it's 249 grams, mostly because some countries, when you have more than 249 grams, you have to pay for you have to have a pilot license. You have to pay for registrations. It has to be registered. Basically, you need a lot of paperwork when it's more than 250 grams. So this one is 249, meaning it's very light. Yep. So where do we open it from? Okay, from right here. Okay, so when we open, there's a scan here, there's a code here you're supposed to scan before first use. So we'll scan and see what it has. So this is how it comes with. It comes with black. I've seen others coming with a gray bag, so let's see the difference between that but this is a very nice shoulder bag. It's a very nice one, I like it. So let's open and see what DJI have put in place. Yeah. So when we open, so first we have the remote. Let me open the remote. And it's gray in color. Wow, looks nice. So first we have the remote, joysticks. Yep. So this is the camera holder. Looks nice. Then we have, it has several compartments. Then here we have a battery. Is this a battery? Let me see. It's the charging. It has 3 batteries actually. This one comes, it's a combo, it's a Fly More combo, so it has 3 batteries. And yeah, so one of the battery must be in the DJI, so that's the rest 2 are here. So we'll see how they work and the recommendation, like in terms of how to charge, because you're supposed to charge it first. So yeah, so these are 2, 1 should be somewhere. Okay. Then what do we have here? So now this is a DJI itself. Voila, DJI. So see how small, the size of my hand. Yeah, see the size and the work it can do. So DJI, we have the stickers which we'll have to remove. We have the propellers. So let me start with this one. Okay, so we have the stickers which I have to remove. Sticker number 1 for the propeller, then I remove here, and I like how it's held in place by this thing here, this wrapper, very nice. Another sticker right here, and another sticker behind here. That's the battery compartment. Yeah, so ideally you are meant to open the front are they called legs or handles? So the front first. So once you open the front first, then now you can open the bottom ones. So they're actually turned like that. Okay, so this is the DJI. Yeah. So we have the lens, and to open the lens we hook our hands right here and open the lens. So we have some stickers as well. We have to remove as well, and the other sticker. It's a very nice, it has very nice gimbal actually. I try to remove without leaving marks on the DJI. Why are they sticking on my hand? Okay. So that's the DJI MAVIC combo. Yeah. So I've removed the cover covering the lens. You can see how it looks like. So we have the USB, the charging port here, and where you can put down the SD card. So it normally uses the Extreme Pro SD cards, and luckily I have others that I have been using on the camera that I'm using, which is a DJI Pocket 2, and also on the GoPro. Yeah. So I have some extra. So on the battery side, yeah, like we said, one of the battery is right here. Okay. So you have to hook the clip, and one of the batteries right here. So you're supposed to charge it first until it's very, very full before we get to use it. So we'll do that first, then we'll do the fly test with you guys together, and yeah, you can rate our flying technique. Okay. So to return the battery, you have to put it in until you hear a click. Okay. So for now, I'll put it outside so that we can charge all of them before we do a fly test with all of you. Okay. So that's DJI MAVIC Mini. It comes with 3 batteries and comes with a very nice control. We'll get to test each and everything together. Okay, so see you on the flying zone. So we'll select a place where we'll do our flight test around, then I'll bring you guys along. So this is for more content, this is for better videos for you guys, so that you are able to enjoy more content, and yeah, from Wakazi Adventures.
From the rising sun on Kilimanjaro's face to the Mara plains where the wild hearts race, there's a name that echoes wherever dreams go. Wakazi Adventures, Africa the way we know. Footprints in the sand, stories in the sky, every journey crafted, every moment high. When you want the real, when you want the true, Wakazi Adventures is calling you. Wakazi Adventures, your best tour company in Kenya, ready to show you Africa like no one ever can. Yeah, from golden savannas to oceans blue, we take you closer to the Africa you always knew. Wakazi Adventure, feel the rhythm, feel the drive. Africa comes alive when you travel with the tribe. Not just a journey, it's a lifelong memory. Africa the way we know it. Wakazi Adventures, you'll see. Roaring lions at dawn,